Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how we can make it look like images are popping out of the page, just to try and make our designs look a little bit more professional. So I've just got a blank canvas here and I'm going to head over to Elements. And with Easter coming up, I'm just going to type in Easter and we'll see what we can find. And we want to select photos. So we're looking for something now that has an image on there that I can enlarge and make it look like it's popping out of the page. Once you've found a design that you like, we can add that onto our canvas. And now the next thing we need to do is head up to Edit, and we are looking for Magic Studio and we need to select Magic Grab. For this now we have some options to grab the object, so we can either click brush, we can select click, or we can select foreground. So brush, it would allow us to use a brush over the image to select it all, or we can click on the image and select it, or we can use the foreground. Because when I hover over this as click, it does leave some of the elements missing, I'm going to select foreground, and there we can see that's selected all of the flower and Easter eggs. Once we've done that, we're going to select grab, and now it's made it a movable element, which is exactly what we want. Now that's happened, we're going to keep it lined up with the bottom of the page, and we can see now that the object underneath has disappeared. So we're going to keep it lined up, but we're going to increase the size so it looks like it's popping out of the page. Then we need to add in some text. So I'm just going to type in Easter sale, and we can select both the words and change the font. Then we can move the font onto our design, and that's just going to fill in the space, which is going to be nice. We can change the colour. I think I'm going to make it white. And this is just a super quick and easy way that we can upgrade designs by grabbing items on the design and making it look like it's popping out of the page. And this will make your designs look a little bit more professional.